Hey guys, you're welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Bibi Naija lockdown. See the moment Ozo finally hugged Nengi after telling her he likes her. I've always known this Ozo likes Nengi, he's just pretending all along. So after clarifying himself with Dorothy, he finally engaged Nengi, who he frequently described as his kind of woman in the house. The two were spotted outside talking about their relationship and feelings for each other. Nengi seemed happy engaging him, after all she likes him too. Ozo and Nengi finally had their conversation, which they both kept blushing as they hugged and retired to their chambers. Reviewing the state of the relationship, Nengi stylishly made a comment saying she doesn't see anything related to relationship for her in the house. But for Ozo, his point is about how people see them to be in a relationship, which is quite the opposite. Both were caught blushing after Ozo asked why she feels shy talking to him because she kept looking away all the time. She responded saying she is not comfortable discussing feelings with a person who expresses feelings for her. He asked, "Who told you I like you?" It's fancy first, then a progression to like. She replied with a funny comment saying, "I don't understand big English." Ozo then continued. He said, "When we see tomorrow, it's going to be different." Nengi replied saying, "How?" Also continued. He said, "You won't need to think about what's on my mind." Nengi said, "Okay, we'll see." They hugged and said their good night. Wow, I think there's love here. You can't tell me neither. This was how Mercy and Ike started their own love episode in last year's Bibi Naija, and now we are having Ozo and Nengi showing us how to start a relationship. Okay, guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below.